Hello Internet World, welcome to my review of the Creative Sound Blaster X5. This is a high-res dual DAC USB sound card with a fully balanced Xamp Headphone Bi-Amplifier. It's packed full of features and I can't wait to share my opinion with you. This was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing my opinion with you so you can make an informed buying decision. So we start by taking a quick look at the box. You can see a picture of the product front and centre. It's a 130 dB DAC. It also supports high-res 32-bit 384 kHz audio. We've got a discrete Xamp. It's got balanced headphone outputs, Bluetooth, acoustic engine built in, also crystal voice built in, and a scout mode feature as well. Really nice product packaging. On the side here it lists off the system requirements, so this will work with Windows, Mac OS, PS5 and PS4. Then if we look around on the back here, we've got some of the main features detailed for you. So we've got a high performance balanced audio with dual DAC configuration and Xamp headphone bi-amp. So really great features. We've also got a USB host audio streaming with Bluetooth technology. And we've got the ability to really expand and complete our audio setup. This is a fantastic device. Inside the box we do get some cables. So we get this cable here, which is a 3.5mm to stereo phono. We also get a USB-C to USB-A cable inside the box as well. We also get this little pack here which has got some details about registering the product and an optical cable included. And then we get some extra paperwork here, so we have got a quick start guide in a couple of different languages. And then of course we get the Creative Sound Blaster X5 itself, and this is a stunning piece of kit. It really is well designed. Now before we plug this in, let me take a look around the back with you. So on the back here we have got some details about the products sort of etched onto the back panel. We've also got the serial number. We've got stereo line out, stereo line in, optical in and out, USB and USB host connections. The actual casing is plastic, but it's a really high grade satin finish plastic which doesn't attract fingerprints. It looks very, very nice. And then on the bottom here we've got these little rubberized feet that go along the sort of depth of the product. So it sort of raises it off your desk a little bit. So let's get this plugged in and we'll have a look at the front panel on this. So we're just going to plug in USB-C and then let's take a look across the front. So we've got the main power button, so let's turn that on and you'll see it comes up with welcome. Now this might flash very slightly or flicker on the video. It is a rock steady display to the naked eye, so don't worry about this sort of flickering a little bit. It is a steady display. We've got some buttons here for Bluetooth and also for muting the microphone, and these are really tactile, nice and clicky. I really do like those. We've got a display button here which cycles around the display. We've also got a mic gain control just here as well, and we can also switch between normal and high gain using this switch. Now the switch doesn't have a definitive click to it. You can tell that you've pushed it in the correct direction, but it doesn't have a loud click. It's almost like a dampened switch. I do like that. We've got an HP SPK button as well, so we can switch between the two modes. We've got a direct and DSP button as well, so again we can use that to go direct or via the digital signal processor. We've got an EQ button as well, so we can switch between the various EQ presets. We've also got a PC and console button on the side here, and then we've got our two outputs here. One of them is unbalanced for your headphones and one of them is a balanced output. And then we've got this rotary dial on the end which has got an LED light just to show you the position of it, and it's a very, very nice accurate rotary dial. At the moment it's controlling the volume, for example. So Overall, a really nice set out here, but how is it going to work for you? Well, first of all, using it as a USB sound card really does give you some flexibility. Using it as a headphone bi-amplifier, wow, the difference in using this between a pair of headphones that actually needs to be driven a bit better really does bring out the nuances in your headphones. If you've got something that needs that extra sort of oomph, that extra power, it needs to have some sort of extra amplification, these will really bring your headphones to life. And then we've got the ability to use all of the other features on here. It absolutely works superbly as a DAC as well. It's a fully featured DAC with the brilliant headphone amp built in that really does transform the audio that you're going to experience. I love how it looks. I think they've done a great job on the design here. Very, very nice. It's sort of an understated design. It's quite a large device to put on your desk, but I think they've done a really good job of just making it look very classy without introducing too much cost. It's quite affordable for what you're getting. If you want a really good DAC USB sound card with a fully balanced or unbalanced headphone bi-amp, then this should definitely be on your shortlist. That is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to buy one of these for yourself, there are links in the video description. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.